So students, in this dialog box, the first option is to. So in this option, you will write down the email address of a particular person, and second is subject. So you will write down the subject of your mail. Here you will type the message, whatever you want to type the message here. And last is click on send. So when you press this send option, in the last you will press the send option, and here this is the attachment option. Attachment means if you want to attach any file, any text file, any photo, so you will click on it and attach a particular file, and last you will click on send option. Now the next topic is replying to a message or forward a message to another person. For that, suppose I want to open this message, double click on it, open this mail. After that, last you can see the two options. The first is your reply and second is forward. If you want to reply for a particular person, to a particular person, so you have to click on reply, and if you want to forward the same message to another person, then you have to click on forward button, and the procedure will be same for the reply also and for the forward button also. Next is attaching a file in Gmail. I already explained the steps for that. This is your attachment option, this one, attach file. You have to click on it. After that, this window will appear in which you will select a particular file that you want to attach. Let us suppose I want to attach any file, like let us suppose I want to attach this picture. Click on it, that means you have to select, and after that click on open, and you can see this picture will visible in this attachment. If somehow you not want to send this picture, then you have to click on this cross button in this way. So these are the simple steps to attaching a file in Gmail. Now the next topic is Google Drive. So Google Drive is free online storage that provide access to email, contacts, calendar, photo files, and much more. And also you can keep files, folder, backups, and everything important in this drive. User can upgrade their free 15 GB account to a paid monthly subscription plan to get additional storage. That means by default it just gives the 15 GB free space to you. After that, if you want to extend the space, in that case you have to pay monthly subscription. Next is advantages of Google Drive. So here are some advantages of Google Drives are: files in Drive can be accessed from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can store large audio, video, and graphic files on the internet. You can allow others to access your files on the internet. Then you can view time critical data and image immediately while away from the main office or location. That means already in your phone, so you can see the things anytime and anywhere. So you can take backup of your data also if you want to save your content in a drive. Let us suppose if you want to change your phone, in that case, but you want your content also, so in that case you will save your contacts in Drive. So when you buy a new phone, in a new phone you just enter your email address and password, open your email ID, automatically you can see your all contact. Next, Google Drive lets you create documents, spreadsheet, and presentation online and work simultaneously with other person or colleagues on a same document. So with the help of Google Drive, you can perform these all things. Now next is how you can open a Google Drive. So simple steps are: first of all, you have to open your email ID and password. After that, you will click on it, and here one option, Drive. You will click on it. Now this is your Drive. Now the first topic is upload file or folder. For that, you have to click on new button, this one, and here the option of file upload. Click on it. So you can upload the any file whatever you want to upload. Let us suppose here I want to upload any picture. Click on it. I want to upload this picture. Select, then open. You can see this message starting upload. Now upload complete. After that, here you can see this file. Now this is your file. After that, click on close button, this one. This is the simple method to upload a file in your drive. Now the next is if you want to create a new folder. It's just like organizing file and folder. So folder help you to organize the files in Google Drive so they are easier to find when you need them. So most folder contains files and folders. So how you can create a folder? For that, again click on this plus sign, that is a new. After that, click on folder. Here you can type your folder name. Let us suppose I just type here RR. After that, you will click on create. Now it's a working. Now it's a created. You can see this folder here RR. After that, if you want to move any file in this folder, so how you can move? Let us suppose I want to move this file in this folder. So you have to right click on a particular file. After that, click on move to. Now I want to move a particular file in a particular drive. So I want to move a particular file in this folder RR. Click on it. So select a particular folder, this one, and after that you have to click on move. Now next is if you want to delete any file and folder from the drive, so you have to click and select a particular file and folder. Let us suppose I want to delete this RR folder. So first of all you have to select this RR folder. After that, click on this delete button. Now it's deleted. So these are the simple steps to delete a file or folder. Now again, if you want to restore a deleted file, by default it's a deleted, so you have to click on bin. So RR folder here, you have to select it. So this is the restore button, this one, you have to click on it. It's already automatically restored. And in somehow, if you want to delete a file permanently, so you have to delete the file from bin also. In that case, you are not able to restore a file again. Now next is sharing file and folder. So after uploading and organizing the file in Google Drive, so you can also share these files with your friends, family, relatives also. So first of all, now the steps are, first of all, you have to select a file and folder. Let us suppose I want to share this RR folder. After that, click on share button. This is a share button, this one. You have to click on it. After that, you will write down a particular email address of a person here. Let us suppose I want to write down this one. Okay. After that, you will, if you want to write down the any message, then you will type in this option, in this portion. After that, if you want to edit the email address, so you have to click on it. Otherwise, if the email address is okay, fine, then click on send. Last option. Now you can see this message here, person added. So these are the simple steps to sharing files and folder. And the last, that is the main step, that is sign out from Google Drive. So how you can sign out from Google Drive? You can see this icon, that is your Google account. You have to click on it. After that, you will see the last option, that is sign out. So click on it. This is the main step that you have to follow. After finishing your work, please sign out your account.